Miss Teresa here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper pumpkin for fall. We will be using simple art supplies or things you may already have around the house. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first you want to start with a piece of paper, and this is going to be your template. So you're going to fold it in half, and with the side that's folded, you are going to want to trace kind of a long circle shape. It's going to look something like this. And you can go small or large, and you're only going to do it on one side, and then you're going to cut out that shape. And that's going to be your shape of the pumpkin. And if you need help with cutting, please ask an adult. Okay, and I'm going for a small pumpkin. So this is the shape that I'm going to be using, and this is just what I'm going to be tracing on my orange piece of paper. Okay, so now I have my template that I'm going to use to trace, and I'm going to get a orange piece of paper, and that is the color that I'm going to be using for my pumpkin, but you can choose any other color that you want. You can have pattern paper as well. You can start with a white piece of paper and color it however you want. But I'm just starting with a orange piece of paper. And this is an 8.5 by 11. And so because I picked a small sized pumpkin, I can use about 2 of these. And I'm going to just fill the page with my traces, and then I'm going to cut it out. For your pumpkin, you're going to need 10 of these shapes. So I filled my 2 pieces of paper, and now I'm going to start cutting them out. Now that I've cut out all 10 of my shapes, I'm going to take each one and I'm going to fold them right in half. So it's going to go from looking like this to this. And I'm going to do that to all 10 of my shapes. Now that our shapes are all folded in half, we're going to take some glue and we're going to start gluing them together. So we're going to take it folded like this, and on top of it, with it opening out and it's facing you, we're going to take another one and we're going to put it right on top. Just like that. And this is how it's going to look. We've got the one, the middle, and the side. Then we're going to take another one. We're going to glue it to the top as well. And we're going to continue this until all the pieces are glued together. Okay, and once we've glued all our shapes together, it's going to look like this. And we're going to set them aside to dry. And while that's drying, we're going to take a pipe cleaner, a green one, and we're going to fold it in half. Like this. And then we're going to fold it in half again. Like this, and then twist it just a little bit. And that is going to be the stem of our pumpkin. When the pumpkin shape is dry, you're going to take your stem and you're going to glue it right in the middle. So where it opens like this, you're going to turn it and you're going to have this facing you, and you're going to put some glue right on here. And you're going to put your stem right there. And then you're going to take the two flaps and you're going to glue them together. To close it up, like that. And then you're going to set it aside to dry. And here's the completed craft. You can get really creative by changing the color of the pieces of paper, changing the size of your template so it makes a bigger pumpkin. But this is just a really easy and fun fall craft that you can do using simple art supplies or things that you might already have around the house. Thank you for joining me for craft time today. I hope to see you next time. Bye!